have done all year is shake their heads as they go back to the dugout.
Changeup for a strikeout. The changeup, another strike.
Another devastating changeup right out of the back of his hand. Chokes that ball back deep.
65,000 people are on their feet, waving their towels. The changeup, and the ball game is over.
Struck him out. 2 out. The 2-2 from Hoffman. Got him on the outside corner. The 1-2 pitch. Up right corner. Quick